Which one of the following aspects is an exclusive characteristic of living things? Isolated metabolic reactions occurs in vitro. Increase in mass from inside only. Perception of events happening in the environment and their memory. Increase in mass by accumulation of material both on surface as well as internally. C. Perception of events happening in the environment and their memory. The living organism can be unexceptionally distinguished from the non-living things on the basis of their ability for interaction with environment and progressive evolution, reproduction, growth and movement, responsive to touch. D. Responsive to touch. Biological organization starts with cellular level, organism level, atomic level, submicroscopic molecular level. D. Submicroscopic molecular level. The term new systematics was introduced by Bentham and Hooker, Linnaeus, Julian Huxley, Epide Candolle. C. Julian Huxley. Linnaeus evolved a system of nomenclature called mononomial, vernacular, binomial, polynomial. C. Binomial. Linnaeus is credited with binomial nomenclature, theory of biogenesis, discovery of microscope, discovery of blood circulation. A. Binomial nomenclature. The book Genera Plantarum was written by Engler and Brandt, Bentham and Hooker, Vesey, Hutchinson. B. Bentham and Hooker. Biosystematics aims at the classification of organisms based on broad morphological characters, delimiting various types of organisms and establishing their relationships. The classification of organisms based on their evolutionary history and establishing their phylogeny on the totality of various parameters from all fields of studies. Identification and alignment of organisms on the basis of their cytological characters. C. The classification of organisms based on their evolutionary history and establishing their phylogeny on the totality of various parameters from all fields of study. ICBN stands for International Code of Botanical Nomenclature, International Congress of Biological Names, Indian Code of Botanical Nomenclature, Indian Congress of Biological Names. A. International Code of Botanical Nomenclature. Nomenclature is governed by certain universal rules. Which one of the following is contrary to the rules of nomenclature? The names are written in Latin and are italicized. When written by hand, the names are to be underlined. Biological names can be written in any language. The first word in a biological name represents the genus name and the second is a specific epithets. C. Biological names can be written in any language is contrary to the rules of nomenclature. Which of the following is against the rule of ICBN? Handwritten scientific names should be underlined. Every species should have a generic name and a specific epithet. Scientific names are in Latin and should be italicized. Generic and specific names should be written starting with small letter. D. Generic and specific names should be written starting with small letters. Select the correctly written scientific name of mango which was first described by Carolus Linnaeus. Mangifera indica, Mangifera indica Carolus Linnaeus, Mangifera indica Linnaeus, Mangifera indica. C. Mangifera indica Linnaeus. Match column 1 with column 2 for housefly classification and select the correct option using the code given below. Family Musidae, Order Diptera, Class Insecta, Phylum Arthropoda. So the correct answer is A third, B1, C4, D2. The common characteristic between tomato and potato will be maximum at the level of their A family, B order, C division, D genus. A family. Which one of the following organisms is scientifically correctly named, correctly printed according to their international rules of nomenclature and correctly described? Musca domestica, the common house lizard, a reptile. Plasmodium falciparum, a protozoan pathogen causing the most serious types of malaria. Felis tigris, the Indian tiger, well protected in Gir forest. E. coli, full name of Entamoeba coli, a commonly occurring bacterium in human intestine. These three are incorrect. So the correct option is B. Plasmodium falciparum, a protozoan pathogen causing the most serious types of malaria. Which of the following animals is correctly matched with the particular taxonomic category? Tiger tigris species, cuttlefish mollusca class, humans primata family, housefly musca order. A. Tiger tigris species. Species are considered as real basic units of classification, the lowest unit of classification, artificial concept of human mind which cannot be defined in absolute terms, real units of classification devised by taxonomists. A. Real basic units of classifications. Which of the following is less general in characters as compared to genus? A. Species, B. Division, C. Class, D. Family. Species is less general in characters as compared to genus. Taxon is the unit of a group of order, taxonomy, species, genes. Taxon is unit of group of taxonomy. Sequence of taxonomic categorized is class, phylum, tribe, order, family, genus, species. Division: class, family, tribe, order, genus, species. Division: class, order, family, tribe, genus, species. Phylum: order, class, tribe, family, genus, species. C. Division: class, order, family, tribe, genus, species. The term phylum was given by Cuvier, Haeckel, Theophrastus, Linnaeus. B. Haeckel. A group of plants or animals with similar traits of any rank is species, genus, order, taxon. D. Taxon. A taxon is a group of related families, a group of related species, a type of living organisms, a taxonomic group of any ranking. D. A taxonomic group of any ranking. Basic unit of smallest taxon of taxonomy or classification is species, kingdom, phylum, variety. A. Species. Static concept of species was put forward by D. Candolle, Linnaeus, Theophrastus, Darwin. B. Linnaeus. On the label of herbarium sheet does not carry information on date of collection, name of collector, local names, height of the plant. 4. D. Height of the plant. Which one of the following is not correct statement? A museum has collection of photographs of plants and animals. Key is a taxonomic aid for identification of specimens. Herbarium houses dried, pressed and preserved plant specimens. Botanical garden have collection of living plants for reference. A. A museum has collection of photographs of plants and animals is not a correct statement. One of the most important functions of botanical garden is that they provide a beautiful area for recreation. One can observe a tropical plants there. They allow ex situ conservation of germplasm. They provide the natural habitat for wildlife. C. They allow ex situ conservation of germplasm. In the taxonomic categories, which hierarchical arrangement is descending order is correct in case of animals? Kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus, species. Kingdom, class, phylum, family, order, genus, species. Kingdom, order, class, phylum, family, genus, species. Kingdom, order, phylum, class, family, genus, species. A is correct. Kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus, species.